The IIP measures the manufacturing sector in India, how well it is doing, and the IIP reflects the industrial activity in the country. The index consists 79% manufacturing and the rest is mining and electricity.
The IIP index is composed of mining, manufacturing and electricity. The base year, that means the start of the index, is the financial year 2011-12. The index is also weighed by use. For example, primary goods have higher weightage than capital goods. Think about it. Primary goods such as wood, wool or fruits are far more frequently produced than a capital good like a commercial building, factory or a warehouse.
For example, let's take the IIP index to be 180 presently. So what it means is that since 2011-12, when the index was formed, the manufacturing activity in India has grown by 80%. Generally, higher IIP is good for the economy. What it indicates is that there is a strong manufacturing activity which is driven by strong demand, and there is a stronger demand for goods and services, which essentially means that the GDP, which is a broader constituent, is also doing well.